joining, activation. Upgradation. Okay, and many of the people have their SMB already going for upgradation. You have many people in the system have their SMB going for upgradation. And you're thinking that your ID is going through SMB, and once your upgradation will be over, you will start making money for your life. Let me put you in the real picture, and then you tell me. So the upgradation part, the people who are getting upgradations, and let's talk about new activations. Okay, let's talk about 28th of June. We have two categories here. One category, the people who got their SMB or they put more money from their pocket for upgrade, and people who did the new activation. New activations, new accounts. In both of this scenario, the price was 5.46 TRX, and this was the price for 1 ECN. Okay. Looking at the picture, basic on the facts and on the database and on the history of performance of ECN in last 1 month, we come to a conclusion that after 2 months, the price will be 0.085 or worst, because the ratio of drop was getting bigger. The ratio of drop 40%, 53%, 60%, 70%. The ratio of drop is getting bigger. However, in this calculation, we kept the loss same. We didn't raise the loss. We didn't increase the percentage of loss. So the worst case scenario for after 2 months, you will be sitting at 1 ECN. The worst case scenario is 0.085 TRX. I'm talking about 2 months. If I'll go to 3rd month, probably we don't like to see the price which will come here, okay? Now the person who activated or invested $6350, the price was $5.46. And in 2 months, let's say his binary plus his super matching bonus plus other incomes, let's say he takes out, let's say 45% or let's say 50% of the deposit in the current scenario or the old scenario, any scenario you can keep, right? This guy will get 50%, and without changes, he will be redeeming his 50% with 0.08 TRX, or probably a little bit different every time. But after 50%, he will be at this situation, which is 1 by 16th times of the investment amount. This is the real picture. So what answer do you have for these people? For new activations you are bringing, upgradations you are bringing, you're talking about EPTs since yesterday. Raising tickets, writing out to me for small EPTs, giving suggestions that top rankers should get the pain, we shouldn't get the pain. It's not about who get the pain, who don't get the pain. It is about the reality, and this is your reality. For the person who come up with 6350 in 2 months, he will be withdrawing the money with the loss of 1 by 16th time, which means his principal amount will get 6350 divided by 16 His principal amount at that point of time would have been approximately $400. What answer you have for this guy? And why this was happening? Why every time we bear the loss on liquidity part, opened the market in the good position from the last time, again we went for a loss, opened the price again on the higher side to keep the vision and keep the people intact with the system, opened the price again on the higher side, again loss. And look at the loss. 40%, 53%, 60%, 70%, probably this week 85, 80%, next week 90%, and probably 100%. So to avoid this situation for each and everyone, whether you are an ace rank holder or you are an immortal rank holder, whether you are a mining package holder or you are a stake package holder, it doesn't care, because your money is in the system, which is coming out with the huge loss. And basically this is where you say that you are basically sacrificed, you are like done, closed. This is the real picture, which we see. When we see it this way, we see it this way. We don't see it the other way. We look into the facts and figures, and then we see it this way. This is the real picture, my friend. This was exactly what was going on. Whether you get this, or whether you understand this, or you don't understand this. All right. Now moving ahead. Now let's talk about changes in 48 hours. The price was 1 ECN. The price was $0.37. And right now, I believe 1 ECN, when I saw it for the last time, was $1.20. I can say approximately more than 300% of growth. Up. It never gone up in this chart. Never gone up. All you can see, all the arrows are downwards. And in just 48 hours, you are at $1.20, 300 plus than your last price. And actually, this is not something which is very amazing. You know what amazing part is? That you are sustaining the price. This is the amazing part, because the message has been sent to the market that what changes has taken place and what will be the mode of operations from Monday, because wallet to wallet transfer will be closed, ECN to ECN transaction will happen. And for the first time in last 1 month, we have seen about the sustaining. We have never seen the sustaining before. Go check yourself. Why it is sustaining now? Why people are not dumping now? Yes, few people have been selling, and I have no answer for them. I don't want to call them nothing. Still we see some of the sales yesterday, but my friend, only approximately 2 million of ECN is out in the market. It's nothing. It's not even your 1 day of business. You will get rid of these things. And when you talk about the future, I will also show you in my tomorrow Zoom. Today I'm doing the Zoom on the situation, decisions, the impact of decision, and how it gonna be more beneficial for you, more than the money that you are withdrawing in a smart matching, super matching bonus. It will be more valuable than that. With an organic growth of the system, with everybody is having profits and everybody is growing towards a big direction and everybody is becoming successful. Okay. So somebody, I'm happy, somebody is writing in one group that smart contract is for 12 months. Smart contract is for lifetime, brother. It's more than a human can live. So yes, more about the sustaining part. And why is more importantly that we are at $1.20 and why it is not crashing. Why not crashing? Why not going back to 0.37? Because the message is very much clear, and this is the reason that you are seeing this growth.